What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Spur of the Moment, and welcome to Vlogmas. So today is officially November 30th as I'm shooting this video. For you guys watching, it'll be December 1st, which is the start of an awesome thing that people do every year on YouTube, which is called Vlogmas. Last year, I did not participate in Vlogmas because of work, and I really didn't know if I could do it. This year, I'm going to go into this 100%. We're doing Vlogmas this year, which does mean you guys are getting a video from me a day from today, December 1st to December 21st, which will be an awesome experience for both of us. I do have a lot planned. We do have a lot to do in the car. We do have a lot of other fun stuff coming up, so stay tuned for that. Without further ado, roll the new intro.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So as I just mentioned, we have a lot to do in the off season right now, and I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year. So we've got 21 days of straight car work, holiday stuff, and maybe some shenanigans too. Not sure yet. We're going to see if we can get the rest of the race team down here to participate in some fun stuff. But right now in this video, I'm going to explain, what I did while the camera was gone, because my camera was at the shop getting fixed, and I had to start some stuff to actually get ready to do Vlogmas and what I plan to do during the Vlogmas season this year. And kind of give you guys a bit of a teaser as to what we have going forward and what we're planning on doing during this 21 days of filming and 21 days of videos, which I really hope you guys are excited for. I'm really excited for. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, never done this, but we're gonna do our damnedest to make this work. So without further ado, if you guys have not followed me on Instagram, you guys have not seen this picture, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, why don't you? Go follow me. It's at Shaggy_TX. It's down in the description, and you can just search that right there. But if you guys do follow me on Instagram, you guys would have seen this already, so we're gonna kind of explain why I did this and also kind of tell you what we're gonna do going forward. Yeah, I locked the whole front of the car off because reasons. So if you guys actually haven't seen, my other video where I was racing at pinball this year, I did hit the wall. It was a water barrier. It was an empty water barrier, but those things are still pretty stout, and I blasted the front end of my car pretty bad. So what we ended up doing, was we had to cut the front, like, bash bar, core support, everything off the car so that we can get ready for a tubular front end. So this thing's going to be a little bit more, I don't know if it'll really stiffen it up. I might lose a little bit of weight too, but it'll definitely be able to stay cooler. I can move some stuff around, and it'll look a lot nicer. But this is what I actually did. So this right here is the front of the car that we removed. Also everything else. This is the part of the front of the car that we cut off. So what you guys may have not seen, because I didn't really show very much, was how bad this damage actually was. And some people, they always say, oh, just bang it out, it'll work. And this is actually pretty bent. Like, it's folded a couple of times in there. I don't know if you can see that. And I also split a couple of seam welds when I hit right here. And I think there was some more underneath, maybe. No, this is all bent up. The core support was actually bent like this, kind of like this. So the radiator wasn't, or sorry, the hood wouldn't shut right. The lights wouldn't pop up right. Not to mention the lights actually wouldn't seat in the cups because that cup got bent. And somehow this cup got bent too. I don't remember if I did that in another race or if that happened from this impact. But this was also bent, so the headlights wouldn't really function properly at all. They were always permanently sleepy eye, which they look kind of cool, but there's really no easy way to fix this. This one I may have been able to bang out. That one was pretty well gone. Also the actual bash bar, so here, is also really bent, as you can see. The horns were a little out of square, so we just cut everything off. So yeah, so what we are, like I said, what we are doing is we are going to be building a tubular front end for the car. We're going to be building some sports off, radiator support, and then a removable crash bar. Because that just, to me, makes sense. From my racing background, having a removable, sacrificial crash bar for incidents like this makes more sense than just building one piece, all welded, where if I bend something, I got to cut it off, and I got to start from zero, and then we're going to do it more of a modular style. So it will be kind of a fun video. So that's part of what's going to happen during Vlogmas, is we're going to get, hopefully, the entire tubular front end done. I do have to take a little bit more material out of the front here to make room for the new angle that we're getting. More on that later, because that's going to be its own video. I'm also going to try to tidy up the interior because it still kind of looks a little bunk. We're going to clean it up. We're going to try to make it look a little bit better. I may redo the hydro. I'm probably going to redo the seat. We're going to repaint the cage because if I haven't already said it 100 times during this season, a black roll cage was a really bad idea. I can't tell you how many times I damn near burnt my hands getting into that car and out of that car because that cage is black. Like, that thing holds so much heat during like the hottest parts of summer here in Texas. It's a horrible idea. As well as the car is also going to hopefully get a paint job before December 21st. I'm not going to promise that because if weather permits, we can do it. If it gets cold here in Texas, I really can't paint because you really can't paint a car in cold weather. It just doesn't work very well, especially when you're dealing with a carport that you really can't seal off. So stay tuned for that because there's going to be a whole bunch of videos coming out of us designing it, us prepping it. By us, I mean me, Sam, and a couple other friends of mine. And we're going to have everything ready, hopefully. So we have a lot planned. And hopefully I can get enough content for the next 21 days so we are ready to go, or so that we can have enough content for all of Vlogmas. Now, fair warning, some of these videos are probably going to be short because I'm going to have to do them in between working and doing this. So we're going to try to film as much as I can, but please don't be angry, guys, if the videos are like 5 minutes long, all right? I'm going to do my best to make these videos not super long, but super content filled if I can, all right? So, aside from that, that's pretty much it. I do have to run to Home Depot. I gotta go pick up Christmas stuff because we have to start doing Christmas decorations. I do need to pick up some supplies to actually start doing this job. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the rest of the videos. So yeah, go ahead, go down to the bottom there. Make sure you guys hit subscribe so you guys stay up to date for the videos coming out because we have a lot of really fun stuff coming up. And hit that little bell notification icon thing so you guys get the actual like email or whatever notification they give you when the new videos actually drop. So thank you if you guys already have subscribed. Also, if you guys see at any point during the entire build process, the entire Vlogmas build vlog that we're going to be doing, anything that you guys think I'm doing wrong, anything you guys know I can do better, anything you guys think I can do differently, go ahead and leave a comment. Just go right ahead. You won't hurt my feelings. I want to learn a little bit more, and I want to take you guys along the same journey with me of learning. So if somebody knows something like, hey, you could do that better, or oh, hey, I've seen or I've done or I know that someone's done this, leave a comment down there. And if it's really awesome or if it pans out, we're going to try it because that's how you learn. So thank you to anybody who comments as well. Also like the video because, you know, reasons, just like it, gets the video out there more. So yeah. All right, everybody. So I'm going to go, I've got to go do some stuff. If I don't take you guys along with me, I'm going to go ahead and close the video right here. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, enjoy life.